forgot to add myself to the recording. All righty. All right. First of all, we're going to look at Monday's forecast, and I'm going to bring in the video and see if we can play it.
Welcome to the Monday, April 6th, 2026 weather forecast for Pinellas County. Here is a look at the Pinellas County Monday forecast. Highs will be in the low 80s. The visuals show the future radar, cloud cover, wind, and moisture map. The morning will bring sunny skies. The afternoon has a 20% chance of rain and thunderstorms, mainly after 3 p.m. Showers are likely at night, with possible thunderstorms after 2 a.m. and a 70% chance of rain. Overnight lows will be in the mid-60s. Winds will be NW 5 to 9 miles per hour, shifting to NE 8 to 10 miles per hour with gusts up to 18 miles per hour.
All right, that's the forecast. Let's see if I could. Hang on a second. Let me look in here real quick. Hang on a second. I'm going to get into where we at on HR. We'll just use the NAM for tomorrow. And we'll bring up this. Okay, so let's look at that. And we're going to use that one. And we're going to share that one. There we go. Now we're going to share that. Okay. We're going to look at the temperatures for tomorrow going out the door. This is 8 o'clock. It looks like 68 degrees in Tampa, 68 in St. Petersburg, 66 in Sarasota, Winter Haven at 68 degrees. Down Fort Myers area, 72, and Naples at 68 degrees. Let's look at the dew points tomorrow. In the morning, we're going to look at the dew points for tomorrow evening. Let's look at the dew points. So let's go look at the highs. So usually around 2 or 3. So let's look at the high temperatures for tomorrow. So 2 p.m., Sarasota at 82, Winter Haven 81, St. Petersburg 79, Fort Myers at 82, and Naples at 79 degrees. Let's look at the radar. And it's going to be, let's see, we'll take these off. According to the latest run, it's going to be more into the central, and this is probably where the sea breeze is going to set up. Not so much in the Tampa Bay regional weather area for tomorrow. Okay, let's look at the wind. Mostly from the north and northeast, some northwest. Fort Myers from the southwest, and Naples southwest at 4 miles an hour. Looks at perceptible water, and that would make sense because remember we saw the, we'll draw that in red. Remember we saw the radar, the simulated radar right in here. So that would make sense for tomorrow. And let's look at the cloud cover for tomorrow. Not too bad. Let's see what we got for tomorrow night. Yeah. This is looking forward to Tuesday, but we'll go over Tuesdays later on. So, with that being said, that has been your local forecast for Monday. I'll see you tomorrow night for Tuesday's forecast in detail. And I'm going to let you know right up front, Tuesday is going to be probably our wetter day out of the week. And then it's going to slowly start dying down. All right. I want to thank you for tuning in to the Florida Weather Guys YouTube channel. Also to your all the social medias. And if there's any severe weather in the Tampa Bay regional weather area, especially around Pinellas County, I will bring you updated information. Have a great one. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.